Hi, I'm Paul with Rustica, and today we're looking at the Rustica barn door hardware kit. It's important for you to note that all of our hardware comes with adjustable spacers. Now that is a proprietary spacer patented by our founder, Kate, my wife, and it is a dream to install these things because of the adjustability of that spacer. It can kind of align with a crooked wall or go over casing. So it solves so many problems, makes the installation of your barn door so much easier. Also, I want to make sure that you're aware that Rustica has the best warranty in the business. So if there's anything about your barn door hardware that you don't like or that bothers you, or you just wanted a different color after you got it into your project and put it on your door, send it back to us and we'll send you out a brand new kit. So we're really grateful to be part of your project and can't wait to see pictures.